This is a countdown timer. So we see we have a countdown timer that popped up that says you should be in your seat by, and it's counting down. And our time is up. It rang a bell for us, and now it automatically disappears a few seconds later. That is a countdown timer. You can set those up on your add edit screens. We're going to click add edit. We're going to go to auto countdown timers, and you'll see here is the countdown timer that I just created. We're going to delete that one, and we're going to set it back up. So we're going to click the add countdown button here. You can put in your message here. This is what's going to appear while the time is counting down. So I'm just going to go ahead and use the one we already had there. You should be in your seat by. And then this is the alert message that shows once the time is up, the clock disappears, and this is going to appear in its place. So we're going to say time's up. Duration is the amount of time that you want the countdown to count down from. So if we wanted it for 30 seconds, we would set it to 30 seconds. If we wanted it to count down for 2 minutes, we would set it to 120 seconds. So we'll just do something relatively short here. The alert sound, you have short, medium, or long. I don't remember which one that one was. That one may have been medium. We'll do short. You can also upload your own custom audio here, or you can even put in a YouTube video, and instead of the alert sound sounding at the end, it'll actually launch that YouTube video. So we're just going to keep one of the standard options here. Some of the other options, if you want the background to show, if you want the background to, I guess, be hidden, you click this check mark, and it'll basically overlay, the example had it, a little kind of black screen over the rest of the content, so the timer kind of sticks out more. If you don't want that, you would uncheck this box. You can also have a flash effect, so when the timer goes off at the end, the screen will kind of flash at you. We'll go ahead and turn that on just to show you. And then down here, once again, you'll have different scheduling options depending on what you put in as your class schedule. But for me, I'll just go ahead and set it to, let's see, we'll put it for we'll say 2:15 here. And we'll set this to PM, and we'll click apply to all. So now, if we click save, and we go back to our class, this will appear on any class. So whatever class you're at the time it's supposed to go off, it'll show up. This is not class dependent or anything like that. So our timer should go off here in about 8 seconds. There we go. You should be in your seat by, and it's counting down. And there we go. By the way, you can also move this around the screen and resize it to be whatever you want it to be, and it'll save that. So that's how you set up a countdown timer in Lesson Launchpad.